Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to today's first video, doing 5-day forecast. As always on a Wednesday, having a detailed look at the weather next 5 days across the British Isles. It's going to be a bitterly cold 5 days to come. Winds going to be in from the east, got high pressure over Scandinavia, so bitterly cold easterly winds. And there will be a little bit of snow around as well, and that's particularly, I think, the focus for Saturday across eastern and northeastern parts of the country. By the end of the 5-day forecast period, probably going to start to turn a bit less cold. And next week, we might pull up some very mild southerly winds. There'll be more about that in today's second video, which will extend out beyond the 5-day forecast period, and we'll have a look at weather for the sort of 5 to 10 day forecast period. That'll be coming up this afternoon in today's second video. Before I get on with the 5-day forecast, just say about the ads, link to articles on all the pages, have browse widgets, click through links. If there's any articles that you're interested in, you're going to be having this page website. Thanks very much for doing that. The website's using full 5-day forecast coming from theweatheroutlook.com and weathercentre.de. You can find links to both those websites on the links page. So this is the latest radar picture. We've got a little bit of showery rain up in the far northeast, across east of Scotland, stretching down into some northeastern parts of England. Otherwise, it's fairly dry scene, although there are little bits and pieces of rain and drizzle coming out of the low cloud that's pushing across the country today. High pressure over Scandinavia is taking over the pattern. 1,050 millibars is a significant ridge up there. The winds are turning into the east. That's bringing bitterly cold and very cloudy skies across the country. So, going to be a cold day today, but easy wind will freshen up and bring lots of cloud across the country as well. Little bits and pieces of rain. As the cold air digs in, those little bits and pieces of rain might turn more towards snizzle, so light sort of snowflakes within the wind. Later on, also, we might find brighter skies returning to eastern parts of the country, although there could be a few snow showers down the east coast. Temperatures stay very cold in the east, just 2 or 3 degrees. Still just about hanging on to those mild temperatures in the far southwest, around 8 or 9 degrees there. But it is turning increasingly cold with those easterly winds today. Overnight tonight, those easterly winds continue to freshen up, pushing that cold air in from the continent. I think we'll find the clouds filling and breaking up actually through the course of the night, so you're going to find skies clearing, turn mostly dry, although there could be snow showers down the east coast, and maybe it'll be the frost. It'll be a very cold night tonight, with temperatures going down widely to -2, -3. Some places could go as low as -5 degrees. Quite a penetrating frost as well in that easterly wind. Through the course of the Thursday, we're going to find, again, the wind stays in from the east. It could be a bitterly cold day again on Thursday. We might start off with a fair amount of sunshine and also, of course, that hard frost. But I think the skies will cloud up through the course of the day. We'll start to drag in more cloud from the east. And those that cloud could be producing little light bits and pieces of snow almost anywhere. So snowflakes, snow flurries in the wind with maybe snow showers again coming down onto those eastern coasts. Temperatures tomorrow really cold, just 2, 3, 4 degrees at best, and feeling sub-zero in most easy winds. Western areas get the best of the sunshine with shelter from those easterly winds. Into Friday, the east wind continues. It's going to be an even colder day on Friday. Lots of cloud across the country. Going to be a very gloomy day, I think. And again, snow flurries, snowflakes possible almost anywhere, but most likely in the east. Down the east coast, there could be more heavier, more significant snow showers, but they will be mostly just peppering the east coast. Bitterly cold day with temperatures of just 1 or 2 degrees at best, so barely above freezing, and with those easterly winds, you're going to feel even colder than that on Friday. I think Friday's probably the coldest day of this particular cold snap. Into the weekend, and it's staying cold. High pressure is still in over Scandinavia. It's still got those east winds. We're bringing a little feature in across the country as well on Saturday. So I think Saturday is our greatest chance of snow. Skies probably clear overnight Friday into Saturday. Some slightly drier air begins to move in. So that'll allow for a very hard frost, maybe locally severe frost on Friday night. Saturday's starting off sunny and really frosty, but clouds will spread in from the east through the day, with outbreaks of rain, sleet or snow moving in from the east. I think the rain mostly to the coast, the east coast, but inland I think there will be sleet and snow. Very difficult to work out the exact area of that sleet or snow, but the greatest risk will be through parts of northeast England, going up into eastern, southeast of Scotland, possibly also coming down in towards the Midlands and Lincolnshire. There could be some quite wintry conditions around on Saturday afternoon, maybe with some accumulations of snow over high ground in the northeast. Bitterly cold day again. Temperatures will be a little bit higher because there's more cloud around, and this feature will have some slightly milder air off the North Sea, or slightly less cold air. So temperatures are around 3 or 4 degrees, but it'll still feel bitterly cold in that easterly wind. We go through into Sunday, the wind staying in from the east, so another very cold day is likely on Sunday. Lots of clouds spread out across the country as well. There could be wintry showers almost anywhere, but I think they're most likely in the east. Notice the isobars are tightening on Sunday, so it's a windy day as well. The wind is trying to go southeasterly, but there's still enough of an easterly component to make that wind a really bitterly cold wind. So temperatures are just 2 or 3 degrees again, with lots of cloud and wintry showers. Going to be quite a nasty day, feeling sub-zero in that wind. But by the time we go through to Monday, the wind is beginning to back southerly southeasterly, so that's going to start to pull up slightly milder air into the south. Again, lots of cloud around on Monday. Fairly dry conditions as well. Most wintry showers should have died out, but a warm front could well be bringing outbreaks of quite heavy rain in towards Ireland, Wales and southwest England by the end of Monday. Otherwise, a dry day, but loads of cloud. It's a windy day, so it's going to feel cold, but temperatures will be starting to lift up a little bit, possibly getting up to around 8 or 9 degrees down in the far southwest, 4 or 5 likely elsewhere. Finally, have a look at charts and weather outlook. Here we go for today. So we've got a lot of cloud, some snow flurries coming in down the eastern side. Through into Thursday, the wind stays in the east, going to be a cold day. This is suggesting sunny spells, but bear in mind we're dragging in lots of cloud from the east. Into Friday, again, lots of cloud, could be snow flurries down the east coast. Then into Saturday, this is where we've got those outbreaks of rain, sleet to start, a very frosty start, rain, sleet and snow moving in off the eastern coast. Again, snow most likely over high ground where there could be some accumulations, but there may be some snow coming down to lower levels as well. Things turn drier, but still with the risk of wintry showers and a really cold wind and strong wind on Sunday. And then into Monday, still windy and starting to turn a little bit less cold. So, in summary, we're looking at a cold 5 days to come. Wind's going to be in from the east. Not a severe spell, but it is going to be a very cold spell. And we're going to have a risk of some snow, most likely in the east. And Saturday looks like the most wintry day. Expect hard overnight frost, locally severe, where skies are clear. But there will be a lot of cloud with these easty winds, so very gloomy weather as well. By Monday, turning a little bit milder. That's it for now. Come back later on for the 5 to 10 day look ahead. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.